just got these in the mail. Let's unbox them. I think they're basically the same thing. So let's go ahead, see what we got. I don't know, it comes with, check it out, comes with this little USB A to C cord, and this is the flashlight here. This is interesting, look at that. It's like a spinner. I don't know what that does, but let's see what it says in here. Oh, it's got the name right there. See that? And it's got a button here, I think, which is the light. And it's got a charger here. So I've got the USB already plugged in. Let's go ahead and shove it in there. I'm going to let this one charge. And then we'll come back to it and we'll open up the other one. How's that sound? All right, we'll set that one down. Let's get this one. I think it's the same thing. They sent me two of them, which is nice. Again, USB-C to A. And I think this one's a different color. So I got a black one too, look. So here it is. Here's the name. You see that? WARSUN. They make all kinds of flashlights. And I'm thinking that this one, oh look, does this pull out? I don't know. Oh, it does. Interesting. And then this goes back in like that. And that, I don't know what that, let's see if it turns on. Huh. I'm just going to pop this off for a second. So look inside here. You see that? You see that? Now, I'm not sure what that does. It must do something, right? So this is really weird. I mean, it's got that spinny thing. Now, when I press it, I'm not getting anything. So I think I have to charge this one too. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this one in with a USB-C. And then we're going to have to come back and check them out. Now, this company makes a whole bunch of different flashlights, and I've got a bunch of them. And this one's pretty cool. Look at this. All right. Disco. Right? Pretty cool. And it's got a little clip on it. And this one's interesting too. Check it out. This has got a swivel head on it. So you can go like this, turn it on, and it's bright. Man, I'm not kidding you. And it swivels like that. See that? Swivel it back, right? Click it again. And that turns off. And then you've also got this front area here. So if I press and hold it, this comes on. And it's got different colors. And it does that sparkly darkly. So yeah, check it out. It also tells you how much it's charged. This one's at 88% still. So it's pretty good. So these two are by that same company. And we're going to come back and we'll check these flashlights out and see, see what they can do. All right, I figured it out. You got to grab this silver part. You got to unscrew the top. Okay. There's a battery in here. You got to drop the battery out. And then check it out. You got to remove that. Now it should work. Now I just got to set it in. Like that, right? And put this back on. It's a little tricky. I think I may have to recharge it. I don't know. You got to kind of slide this thing around to get it right on the where the port is. Yeah. And then tighten her down. That gives me the ability. All right, let's do this one. Pop it off. So first thing we got to do is unscrew the top. So we got it. Oh man, it's on there. Oh my gosh, this is really tight. I may have to get some pliers for this one. Because this top is really on there. See? So to get it off, I may have to do this. There we go. Got it. Had to take the whole back off of it. All right, let's unscrew it. There's the battery. Pull the battery out, right? Remove that. Back in, same side. Top goes back on. And remember, you got to get this thing even with that. There we are. Okay, now, if you notice, the light's out, but let me click it. Light comes back on, right? It's going through some different colors. Right now, let's check it out. There we go. All right, so they're both working. Check them out. Battling lightsabers. All right, let's see if we can do them all at once. Here we go. First, second, third, fourth. And off. Ooh. All right, so there they are. Check them out.